Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Amol Nazan, and today date is 25 August 2021. And today's video topic is abstraction and interface. So, first of all, Java having six pillars. First one is the class, second one is the object, and third one is the inheritance, fourth one is the polymorphism, fifth one is the encapsulation, and last one is the abstraction. So, today I will discuss the abstraction. So first of all, what is meant by the abstraction? So the real definition of the abstraction is the internal data hiding only setup services. So what is mean by the uh, what is mean by the internal services and setup services. So real-time example of internal services and setup services. So vehicle example, driver having only known for the setup services like steering, switch, brake. It is the setup services, and driver no do not known for the internal services. So internal, what is the internal services? Internal services is the working of brake system, working of a steering system, working of a internal lighting system. It is the internal system, so known for the driver. Second one example of the abstraction, lighting switch. So any person having known for the lighting switch know it for the working for the internal service. So vehicle racer is only for the driver, only for the rider. It is not, it is not known for the internal working. And third one example of the abstraction, the third one example of the ATM machine. So any person having known for the cash withdrawal, balance inquiry, it the known for the any person, and it is and it not known for the internal service for the ATM. So we can achieve the Java abstraction in two ways. So first one is the abstract class, and second one is the interface. So what is mean by the abstract class? The abstract class means abstract class means the class having declare the abstract name. So it is an abstract class. It is inside the some concrete method and some abstract method. So first of all means what is the abstract method? So abstract method is the method know anybody is the abstract method, and second one is the concrete method. The concrete method, the method having anybody is called as a concrete method. So concrete method. So why declare the abstract class and abstract method? So first of all, we have creating the abstract class. So no need for the any method is the abstract method. And second one point is the abstract class. Any method, abstract class inside the any method is abstract method. So class, so in this method class will be the abstract class is a compulsory. So it is the proper main point of the abstract class. So example of the abstract class. So we have creating the abstract class A, and it is inside the method public void add, and in this method no having anybody. And second one method is the public void subtraction, and in this method sys out the inside the sys out the subtraction. And after we'll be creating the second one class. Second one class is the public void public class B, and B class extend the A, and extend the A, and we have implement the method. Yeah, we have implement the method add method. So and after will be sys out the addition. So in this method we can achieve the abstraction. So in this class is, so first A class method is extend and implement the B class. It is the example of the abstraction. So abstraction is used to the Java programming to achieve the security and achieve the security and internet data hiding process. So it is the main purpose of the abstraction. Second one is the abstraction. Second one type used to the achieve the abstraction. Second one type is the interface. So what is mean by the interface? The interface mean the class having the interface is all method is a abstract method. So abstract method means the any method nobody is a abstract method. So abstract so interface is achieve the 100% abstraction, and it is used to the achieve the multiple inheritance. It can be used to the interface. Suppose we have creating the example. Suppose we have creating the class C, we have creating the interface C, and we have creating the second one interface B, and the interface A provide show, and second one is the B interface inside the method white show B. There are two methods and created the inside the two interface, and we have creating a class C, and class C is extend the class C is implement the interface A and B, and all two method are implement the and override the class C, and after will having the third class multiple class we have the creating, and it is the inside the we have creating the C class object. And C class object, first of all, we have class C is equal to new A, and second one is the class C is equal to new B, and after the calling the method class C show A and show B, we have calling the two method, and you in this we can achieve the multiple inheritance, the can be achieve the interface through. So basic use of the interface, it is achieve the abstraction, so the multiple inheritance, so the interface, and difference between the interface and abstraction. So first point of the abstraction, so first point is the abstract class is used to the abstract class is created the abstract keyword, and second one interface is created the interface keyword. Second one is the abstract class is having used to the public access modifier, private access modifier, and protected access modifier, and interface is used to the only public access modifier. Third one is the abstract class no achieve the multiple inheritance, but interface is achieve the multiple inheritance. So so abstract class having the some method concrete method, and some method is the abstract method. So interface is the all method is the abstract method. So for last one point is the abstract class. So abstract class is the 0 to 100% abstraction can be achieved, and interface is the achieved by the 100% abstraction. So in this two way can achieve the abstraction, and it is, and in this way can achieve the security of the programming language. So it is most useful to the Java programming. So abstraction is the most important part of the Java programming language. So example of the real time is the switches, car, vehicle, and another example of the abstraction is the ATM machine, mobile messages is the example of the abstraction. So it is the most important to the achieve the security and data services security. It is the most example of the abstraction, and abstraction is it is the pillar of the Java. It is the most important of the Java language. So thank you, sir.